Hello, hello. How are you? I hope you're doing good. I do. Thanks for stopping by. I do appreciate you. And of course, Jessica here. So I've got another unboxing, and it is a Look Fantastic limited edition box. I do believe these are still available. If you want to scoop one up for yourself, I highly recommend it. Definitely. I was fortunate enough that Look Fantastic was so gracious to give this to me so that I can review it and share it with you guys. So if it's something you want to scoop up, you can see firsthand what's in it and all the good stuff. Now, Look Fantastic does have a UK beauty subscription, and that is $19 a month. I do unbox it on my channel because they send that to me too. And I will link the playlist up here if you also want to check that out. In addition to that, they do have these limited edition boxes. Every a month or so, month, 2 months, they'll come out with something new and exclusive. And they're usually really, really good. So let's dive into this hair edition and see what goodies are inside. Oh, and I've got a link down below that you can scoop this up at a discount. All you need to do is just click the link. It'll bring you right over to Look Fantastic and automatically apply a discount to this box for you. Yes. So, okay, inside the box is a little pamphlet, and inside the pamphlet it talks a little bit about the box, and it's got a list of all the products that are in this limited edition box. Okay, yeah, I am so excited I got this box. And look at the packaging, y'all. Right? Okay, so the first thing is from Scene, and this is a blowout cream. That's what she looks like, and it retails for $24. So that's actually pretty reasonable. It gives hair extra body, bounce, control, and shine. Get serious blowout results and memory without clogging pores or compromising skin with this dermatologist-designed non-comedogenic blow-dry styling cream. It also protects from heat, pollution, and UV damage. So that's actually really cool. The next thing is from Imbue, and it is a curl and energizing hydration serum, and it retails for $13. That actually really, and it says it's a deluxe, but this is a really good size. Wow. It's a lightweight hydrating serum that unleashes and enhances your natural curl pattern. Protects it against humidity for longer lasting curl definition without frizz. Next is from Olaplex, which I love their freaking products. And it is the number 3, and it's a deluxe size, and it retails for $8.50. It's a concentrated treatment that reduces breakage and visibly strengthens hair by repairing damage and protecting its structure, restoring a healthy appearance and texture. Next is a deluxe size from Christopher Robin, and this is the Salt Scrub, and it retails for $8.48, this deluxe size. I have gotten that before. I don't really have any scalp issues, so I don't really find myself reaching for it. But I like it. This sea salt scrub is an effective natural exfoliator that cleanses, removes impurities, and restores balance to the scalp. Next up is from Alterna, and it's a Caviar Anti-Aging Restructuring Bond Repair Conditioner. This is a mini, and it retails for $12. It's perfect for straight, wavy, curly, coiled, and tightly coiled hair. This reparative conditioner, formulated with Caviar Bond enforcing technology, seals and protects tresses. Next is from Philip B. And this is another deluxe size, and it retails for $15. This is the Peppermint Avocado Shampoo. It's formulated with 2.3% peppermint oil and 16 plant extracts. It's a clarifying shampoo that clears away unwanted oils and residue without stripping hair. And it creates a tingling, cool sensation. This is from Hush Hush, and it's a deeply rooted supplement. Never heard of anything like this. There's 4 capsules inside, and it retails for $6. It's a hair health supplement that harnesses the power of proven vitamins, minerals, botanicals, and patented ingredients to stop thinning hair. Ooh. And hair loss. It combats causes of aging, nourishes the follicles, and promotes scalp health for strong, healthy hair. You know, that's actually really, really cool, because anyone that's battled hair loss or thinning hair, it's expensive to treat. I've known people that have struggled with it, so that's actually really cool. Okay, last but not least is by Tangle Teezer, and this is a full size. It retails for $10, and it's a detangling brush. Now, I've actually been eyeing these. That's what it looks like. Specifically because I've been looking for a good detangling brush for the shower. After I put my conditioner in, I like combing it through all the way to the ends, and of course letting it sit. But combs can, you know, depending on the type of comb, it can damage your hair. I mean, there's so many different things out there. So I've actually been looking into grabbing one of these. So I'm really glad I got one. It's a patented 2-tiered regular flex technology. It's a travel-friendly brush that removes tangles and reduces breakage, which I need. And it helps you have smooth, frizz-free hair anywhere you go. Okay, so that's everything. Really good box. Again, I am just over the moon that I got this. I really, really am excited to try everything in here. What do you think? Do you think this is something you'll scoop up for yourself? If you do, make sure you use my discount link. So what's the total value of this box? It's $96.98. Yeah. I mean, several of the products said that they were deluxe sizes, but they look like full sizes to me. So, I think it's a great freaking deal. Oh my gosh. What do you think? Let me know your thoughts down below. Okay, that is it. That was the most recent Look Fantastic limited edition hair box. Thank you as always for coming to hang out with me for just a little bit during another one of my videos. I do appreciate you guys so much. And if you haven't done so already, please smash the subscribe button. It does help my channel out, and it gives me the ability to continue bringing you content like this. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Love you bunches. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.